Fish on. Nah, dude.
Ooh, nice.
You call this small?
Oh, it's because you had it out there. I'm like, Yep. Yep. Set it.
What the hell? How?
Dude, you gotta pay attention to your line.
How is that
I'm
possible?
telling you, bro.
Nice one,
I'm
too. Oh man,
This
this
is
is
your new
fun,
favorite?
bro. This is fun, man.
I told you, bro. Did he?
Okay,
Okay, you got. He's pissing.
bro, look at the size of this, man.
Here, this one.
What a beautiful one, bro.
Yeah, let me lip him. And once that thing starts dancing in the water, you're gonna. Yeah, perfect. Oh wait. They're attacking it.
Oh, God. Oh my God.
That shit is right like a little kid all over again, bro. Oh.
Oh my
they took
God.
Your shit.
Fish on. Oh, this guy feels heavy.
You got him?
Hell yeah. Oh, wow.
Nice, bro.
Look at the size of this guy.
Exactly where you're casting, bro. They don't want nothing with the.
Got him.
There you go.
Do you see that?
Nice. What the hell? Lost my shit. Alright, you got one. Set it. Yo puedo ver cuando ya tiene un pescado. That's a nice one. You see?
Bro, he ran away with it.
You would have missed that, bro. I'm telling you, don't pay attention to your tip. Don't pay attention to the feel. Pay attention to that line. Dude, that's a big one. I think that's the biggest one of the day.
Holy shit, I think he is. Oh, dude, look at him.
Yeah, bro. He's huge.
What a beautiful color.
Oh, there it is. Saw you going for it.
Damn, dude. I didn't even realize I had one.
Oh shit. Dude, I love that sound, bro. I love that sound.
Another monster. Bro, he swallowed it.
Did he?
Oh my God.
Watch out.
What a
the hook, bro.
beautiful fatty.
Oh man.
Oh
bro,
my
I'm
God,
telling
dude.
you, I'm telling you. Because crickets are very soft, bro. You know? Since crickets are very small.
Bro, I just threw it and he freaking came at it. But it's tiny though. This is the smallest one we caught so far.
Really? Yeah, bro. They're all dead.
Look at his size.
You got the trophy catching the smallest bluegill. Human blood. See what happens. Catch a catfish, imagine. Yeah, I was on the fish brain and they catch.
Small. Fish on.
Good one?
Oh, he got away.
Fish off, you mean?
Fish off. Yep.
Oh my god. wonder they're out.
You know, before I was afraid of touching crickets. Now I'm not afraid anymore.
That's because you know that they're catching your food.
I still got a phobia of wax worms.
What?
They look nasty, dude.
Dude, that's like the most harmless worm I think there is.
Wax worm?
Wax worms, yeah, bro.
You sure?
I'm positive, bro.
And you know what? I got it. Decent size too.
Better not lose it.
No, I am losing him. Yeah, another beautiful one. You hear that?
You want to use it?
Let me give it a shot.
Here.
Be careful with the line, I don't want to tangle it up.
I got it, it's cool.
All right, let's see what we got. Yeah, I had a bite.
Really?
Yeah.
Put a worm on it or put a cricket, mate. You'll be able to catch it further.
Fish on.
There you go on the plastic, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a big one, watch. Look, something just jumped over there. That was like one big ass bass.
It's a beautiful one, bro. Look at this.
Look at him though, man.
Huh?
Wow. Did you take a picture of it at least?
It's on video.
Oh, okay.